Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you may never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to recover old Apple ID on iPhone, iPad after updated. So how can recovering Apple ID old on your phone? So let's get start the video without wasting your time. So first of all, open App Store app on your phone and then tap on profile icon. Now we can see is log out Apple ID. So recovering old Apple ID. Now tap it, sign in, and then back, and then tap here email. Tap on Gmail address on your Apple ID. And then scroll down, tap on forget your password. Now click it. Now we can see it's asking enter phone number and email phone number that you use to your account, and then tap here phone number or email. That tap on email address. Tap continue. Now we can say is asking confirm phone number, enter your trusted phone number to continue, enter your trusted phone number. Now tap it and then tap continue. After that he is asking reset your password verification code sent to your trusted phone number. Now tap on send to code. Now enter your verification code sent to your phone number and check your phone number inbox and type here verification code. Now type. Now tap it. Now we can see verify Apple ID and then enter iPhone passcode and waiting few seconds. Tap on iPhone passcode, old passcode, and then waiting few seconds. Now enter new password. Type here. And then retype passcode. Then tap on continue. Again tap here. Retype passcode. Tap continue. Now you change password from you can use your password to sign into your account. Then tap continue. After that sign in Apple ID on App Store. So guys is recovering Apple ID. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.